Hello students, good afternoon everyone. Today we're gonna study about subtracting numbers, okay, with minuend 1000 less. Okay, again, subtracting numbers with minuend 1000 less. Okay, so before we go on, I have something to show to you how you gotta subtract the numbers in a basic subtracting. We use some simple pictures, okay? But before that, we will have to see and read what is subtraction. Okay, let's go. Okay, subtraction is taking one number from another to get a smaller number. Again, subtraction, taking one number from another to get a smaller number. Okay, let's proceed and let's learn the vocabulary. Okay, this one. Okay, you can read after me. Taking numbers. One more. Taking numbers. And this one. Bring down. Bring down. Borrow. Borrow. Plus. Plus. Minuend, minuend, subtrahend, subtrahend. Okay, so that are our vocabularies for this afternoon. Okay, let's go. Okay, now here is the pictures. Okay, in here, how many flowers in here? Okay, there are what? 5 flowers. Okay, 5 flowers. Then we write the subtraction numbers as 5 minus 3. Okay, 5 minus 3. So here we have 5 flowers. Okay, and if we get 3 flowers, then our the remaining flowers is 2. So that's why we write here 5 minus 3 equal 2. Okay? So another one. Here, how many puppet? Okay, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we write the number in sentence like 7 minus 2, so if we get 2 puppet, so how many left in this puppet? Okay, so we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write like 7 minus 2 equal 5. So in all puppet we have, if we get 2, so the answer is 5. Okay, so let's go. Another one here. Okay, how many gloves? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if we get 6 gloves, okay, if we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what is the remaining gloves? How many? There are 2. So you write the subtraction sentence like 8 minus 6 equal 2. Okay, equal 2. Because we get 6 gloves and then the left gloves has only 2. So the number is 8 minus 6 equal 2. Okay, another one here. How many cone, paper cone? Okay, in here there are 5. Okay, 5. So 5. So there is no any account that wait in here. So we just conclude that 5 minus 0 so equal 5. So there is no subtracting when the opposite number or the subtrahend number is 0. Okay, so let's go. Okay, subtracting of 1 or 2 digit numbers. Okay, here 9. 9 is our minuend. 9 is our minuend, and this is a symbol of subtraction symbol. We call minus. Okay, minus. Then this is our, we call subtrahend number. Okay, so if we are going to subtract the 9 minus 4, it is equal 5. Okay, so you can use your fingers through subtracting. Okay, in facing single digit number. Okay, next one. Here another one. Okay, 9 is our what? Minuend. Then minus. Then our subtrahend is 2. So 9 minus 2 equal 7. Okay, so that's we use how we subtract the two numbers together. Okay, so let's go for another. Here, this number has 2 digits, right? So our subtrahend is only 1. Okay, our subtrahend is number 4. Our minuend is 16. So we have to subtract first in the ones place. So we have to subtract 6 minus 4. So 6 minus 4. So we have to write here 2. Okay, the left number of 6 is 2. Then we don't have any number to subtract, so we have to copy 1 together. Okay, so 16 minus 4 equal 12. Next one. Okay, here there are 2 digit numbers. Okay, 19 is our minuend and the minus symbol. Then our subtrahend is 11. Okay, so if we have to subtract this one, okay, 9 minus 1. So 8. Write 8 here, and then we go to the tens place number. Okay, so can we minus 1 minus 1? Okay, now so we have to write 0. So it's not recommended to have to write, but it is like imagine or no need to write. That is exempted answer. Okay, so 19 minus 11 equals 8. Okay, now let's start to subtracting two-digit numbers. Okay, here we go. Okay, this one, 14 minus 11. Okay, how many numbers? How many numbers that the 14 left? Okay, so if we agree to minus, we have to start from the ones place. Okay, 4 minus 1 equals 3. So we go to the tens place. 1 minus 1, it is 0. So we have to write 0 here? No. So we have to immediately know to write. Okay, that is exempted as the procedure, or we call the subtracting numbers this lesson. Okay, next one. Here, 16 minus 12. Okay, we have to subtract again. This one here. 6 minus 2 equals 4. And then 1 minus 1 equals 0. So no need to write 0. Okay, so that is correctly exempted. Okay, this next one. Okay, here we have 18 is our minuend and our subtract is 10. So what we have to do? We go to the first number, or the ones place. So 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0. So we don't have any number to minus 8. So we have to write here 8. Then 1 minus 1, 0. So that is exempted. So 18 minus 10 equals 8. Okay, this one. Okay, there have a number is 79 is our minuend. Then our subtrahend is 35. Okay, so now we go to subtract the ones place of the number. Okay, so 9 minus 5, how much? Equals 4. Okay, so we go to the tens place. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So we gotta say that 79 minus 35 equals 44. Okay? The minuend and okay. Let's go. Another one. 98 minus 75. Okay. So how we get that 23 answer? So we start from the ones place. Okay, here. 8 minus 5. So we write here 3. Okay. Next, we go to the tens place. 9 minus 7. Then we write here 2. Because the left number that we have is only 2. Okay, from the 9. So 98 minus 75 equal 23. Okay, here 87 minus 46. Okay, so the same. We go to the ones place number. 7 minus 6. How much? Okay, we write 1 here. Okay, then we go to the tens place. 8 minus 4. How much? It is 4. Okay, so 87 minus 46 equal 41. Okay, now here is a new for you because we have the problem that having 0. Okay, so example here 90 minus 56. Okay, so you have to listen carefully how we solve this problem. So now here is 0, right? So here is 6. Our subtract is 6. So our minuend here is 0. So how we can minus this number into 6 because there is no account here. What we have to do is we are going to borrow. We are going to borrow from the tens number, from the number 9. Okay? So this number become 10 and we cross 0 and this number become 8. So now we have the number to subtract. Okay, or minus. So 10 minus 6 equal 4. Okay? You get it? Then we go to the tens place. We have here 8. 8 minus 5 equal 3. So that's we subtract when the minuend having a 0 number. Okay, like this problem. Okay, here is another one. We have here 80 minus 74. Okay, so the same. So we don't have account number here. Our subtract is 4. Okay, our minuend is 0. So we are going to borrow from the tens place number. So this number 0 become 10 and this number become 7. So now we can subtract them together. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. Then now here is a 7 number. So can we minus them? 7 minus 7. So there is no account number. So we have to finalize that answer is 0. So that is exempted. So we don't have to write 0 here. Okay? Because it is 0. So 80 minus 74 equals 6. Okay, here is another one. Our subtrahend here is 59. Our minuend is 98. So when you see the smaller number in the first place, okay, or in the ones place in the subtrahend, and you see also the first number we call here as a subtrahend. So what we gonna do? Okay, 8 minus 9 cannot be, okay, cannot be subtract or minus. So the same procedure that we have to do. We are going to borrow 1. We borrow 1 from 9. So right here, 8, 10. So now this 9 become 8. Okay, and then we cross it. Okay, so now we have the number to subtract or minus. So 8, 10. Okay, this number now together 8 and minus 9. How much? Equal 9. Okay, write 9. And here in the second tens place number it is 8. So 8 minus 5 equal 3. So we gotta say that 98 minus 59 equal 39. Okay, now the last one. Okay, our subtrahend here is 59, minuend 67. Okay, so the same. The number here is 7 minus 9. Can we minus it? No, we cannot. We have to borrow one number from 6. So this number becomes 7 10, and this number 6 becomes 5. So we cross them all together to make it easy to minus the number. Okay, we have now here. So 7 10 minus 9 equals 8. And we go to the tens place number that we right here. So 5 minus 5, it is 0. So we like exempted, okay? That we should not write 0 here because there is no account at all. Okay, so in your activity, you can open your book, okay? At page 55, only one page to do activity, okay? So I hope you gonna get what we learned today, okay? So we just practice learning in basic, simple subtracting numbers, okay? So maybe next day we go to subtracting 3-digit number or 4-digit number. If you can understand, but not, we still have this example. Okay? So thank you very much for your listening. Okay? And I hope that everyone can see this video as well. Thank you to Teacher Mel who helped me today to make this video for you. Thank you. Goodbye.